Hi, I'm Priscilla with Zenith Realty, and I wanted to come to make another video today because as homeowners, there are a lot of things to learn. I remember when we bought our first house, we knew nothing about nothing. And so I wanted to talk to you about roof vents. And so I've taken a picture of a house and the kinds of vents there are, and about attic, venting your attic. Because it can cause a lot of damage to your roof. If it gets all tied up there, you can get black mold and the sheathing rots out, and it becomes a roof replacement becomes super expensive. Or when you go to sell, it's always a really stressful thing when the inspector comes back with a report that says, gives you bad news about what's up in your attic. So, we'll take a trip down to the local home improvement store and we'll look at the different kinds of vents, and we'll talk a little bit more when I come back. I'll be at the end of the video about just kind of a little bit more education about that so that you can be informed and you can look at your own house and save yourself thousands of dollars and a lot of stress. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Hi, I'm back. We're at Lowe's, in an undisclosed Lowe's. So we're in the roofing aisle, and so here are roof vents. And I can't speak to the backside because I've never seen one from the top of the roof before. So, but when you drive down, you'll see these. They push the air out, and so the air hits the roof all the time, and that. And then your venting, it gets blocked up. See the screens under it, and it gets blocked up with lint and just various things of life. Maybe even insulation from the attic with the airflow, things like that. So the kind of roof vents that they should be using, and so you'll see some houses have them, is this kind where the air escapes like that. But you always need to clean them periodically. So if you want to check the health of your attic, go up in the attic and look at your roof vents and they used to make those little Buster vacuum cleaners. Maybe you get a portable one or something, and suck out all the lint and everything that's blocking the airflow from escaping. Because if you get too much condensation up there and the air can't flow, that's what causes the moisture, which causes your roof sheathing to rot. So anyway, that's my contribution for the day. Hey, I'm back, and I hope all the information I provided you today has been really helpful. So if you have any other questions, need any other help, I'm here. Just feel free to contact me, text, phone, email, info@zenithrealtyoregon.com. Take care.